Hello everyone, welcome back to Anshul Gupta MD, your trusted resource on everything related to thyroid. Today, I'm going to talk about a very hot topic of discussion, whether eating bananas is good for your thyroid or bad for your thyroid. So let's talk about different facts that I'm going to present regarding bananas, especially pertaining to your thyroid health. So there are both benefits and risks associated with eating banana, especially if you have a thyroid disorder. And I'm going to present both. First, the benefits and then the risk associated with bananas. So you can pick and choose for your thyroid condition or your symptoms, is bananas good or not? So let's get started. So the number one benefit of bananas is that it is high in a vitamin called vitamin B6. Now, this vitamin B6 is very important for your thyroid health because it helps your thyroid gland to produce thyroid hormone. It has been shown in research studies that without this vitamin, your thyroid gland is not able to utilize the iodine in your body to make thyroid hormone. And that definitely can be very bad for your thyroid gland. So, very important vitamin that bananas can give to you. The second benefit of bananas is that it is high in magnesium. One banana can give you up to 30 to 40 milligrams of magnesium. Magnesium takes part into more than 300 enzymatic processes in your body. And in your thyroid, it plays a very important role in conversion of the inactive thyroid hormone, which is the T4, to the active form of thyroid hormone, which is the T3. So that's the reason magnesium is very important, and bananas are a good source of magnesium. The third important benefit of bananas is that it is high in antioxidants. Especially, it has two kinds of antioxidants, which are the flavonoids and amines. Both of these antioxidants are very important for thyroid gland. The role of antioxidants in your body is that it fights against the inflammation. It has been seen that whether you have any kind of thyroid disorders, whether hyper or hypothyroid, inflammation is the underlying problem. And these antioxidants help your body to fight against inflammation. So bananas have good amount of flavonoids that can help lower inflammation in your thyroid gland. The next benefit of bananas is that they are high in potassium. One banana can give you up to 300 to 400 milligrams of potassium. Now, potassium is very important for your heart health, for your circulatory health, for your nervous health, as well as for giving optimal blood supply to your thyroid gland. So again, potassium is very important mineral that can support your thyroid gland. The next benefit of bananas is that it is a good source of prebiotics. Now, especially the green or the unripe bananas have resistant starch in them. This resistant starch cannot be digested by your digestive system, and that's the reason it acts as prebiotics, which feeds the good bacteria in your gut. And we know that by having a good gut health, we can also improve our thyroid health. Now, you see, these are all the benefits of bananas, but bananas are not good for each and every thyroid patient. So, it's very important to know the risks of bananas too. So, let's talk about the risks. So, the number one risk of bananas is that they are high in calories, especially sugars and starches. So, especially if you are struggling with weight issues or if you have diabetes issues, then you might need to limit the bananas. Now, the interesting fact is that the green bananas or the unripe bananas have less amount of sugars in them. So if you do have weight issues, then eating unripe bananas might actually be a better choice for you. Now, the next risk with bananas is that it can actually trigger migraines or headaches. Yes, bananas have a substance called tyramine. This tyramine has been associated with migraines. Several foods are high in tyramines, and bananas are one of those foods which are high in tyramine, and that can actually precipitate a migraine headache in your situation. So, if you have migraines or regular headaches, it is best to avoid bananas. The next problem with bananas is that it can cause constipation. Yes, unripe bananas, especially, are notorious for causing constipation because they are very high in undigested starches in them, as well as they are very high in a substance called tannic acid. Now, this tannic acid is inhibitory for your digestive tract, and that's the reason it causes constipation. So, the ripe bananas are good for constipations, but the unripe bananas can actually cause constipation. So, you need to know this difference, very important one. The next side effect is that the bananas can cause sleepiness as well as tiredness. Yes, bananas are high in tryptophan, and this tryptophan can cause sometimes drowsiness or sleepiness or tiredness. So, if you already have issues with tiredness or fatigue, then bananas might make it worse. The last side effects of bananas is that it can cause abdominal gas and bloating, especially people with IBS as well as SIBO condition. It can cause very much gas production in your body. because bananas have high amount of sugar and fructose, and that has shown that actually in people with SIBO that can cause too much gas production, and after eating bananas people feel slightly abdominal pain and gas. So now you know all the benefits and risks associated with bananas. So it is very important that before you starting eating bananas, you know whether they are good for your thyroid condition or not. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.